superheroes, honey, my teachers, esteemed guests, and fellow learners. Assalamu alaikum.